Welcome everyone to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be learning all about system package management, system and package running status, cat slash cat slash etc slash star release gives more detail of the system that the server is connected to. Ping checks the status of the server, whether it's running or not. Watch ls lists all the files added and deleted and being moved every 2 seconds. Netstat shows the network statistics. ps-ef shows all the processes running. ps-ef grep, then choice, verifies that the package is running. Sudo reboot reboots the server. Curl localhost verifies that the server is still running. Curl-v localhost verifies that the package is still running. Curl public IP verifies that the package is still running. Shutting down the system. Netstat dash t tulpn checks all the ports currently in use. Sudo shutdown informs users about the server shutdown in 3 minutes. Sudo shutdown -c cancels the shutdown. Sudo init 0 shuts down the server immediately. Uptime shows how long the server has been running. Last shows a list of all last logged users. Kill-9 kills all the processes slowing down the server. Uname specifies what server the system is connected to. Uname-a gives more detail of the system connected. Package management and its OS. wget is a non-interactive network downloader. Sudo yum install is for CentOS and RedHat OS installer. Sudo dnf install is for Ubuntu and Debian OS. Sudo apt install is for Android. Sudo choco install is for Windows OS. Sudo helm install is for Kubernetes. Sudo pip install is for Python. cd-opt is a directory in Linux used to install system software packages. System and package management running status. Sudo systemctl package name is to start the package. Sudo systemctl restart package name is to restart the package. Sudo systemctl enable package name is to keep it keeps running even after the reboot. Sudo system status sudo systemctl status package name verifies the package is still running or whether it's disabled or idle. Sudo yum install package name installs the package. Sudo yum install package name -y automates the installation of the package. Sudo yum install tree-y installs yum tree, which is a visual representation of where everything is located. -p is to automate tasks to create both parent and child directories. -v is a manual step-by-step in verbose mode. Now let's go ahead and practice this in mobile extern. Alright guys, now we're going to practice this on mobile extern. First up, let's go and see what our first command is. Cat etc release. Now we're here in mobile extern, we're going to practice it. We're going to do cat etc star release. Cat space etc star release. And it's telling us that the name of the system the server is connected to is RedHat 9 Enterprise. The version, ID, everything about that, all about that. Now, if you want a further detailed explanation, or we want to check the server, the status of the server, you just do ping, destination address required, ping localhost, and it's telling us everything that we want to see. Then press Q or Shift ZZ. I don't know how to get out of this. Let's just duplicate our session. We're gonna create a new session, SSH. Specify username EC2 / user. There we are. Now we're going to do watch ls. This is going to watch the directory every 2 seconds to see if there are any changes. This is useful for if you have other users within working in the same server and you want to track the progress. You can always watch ls to see whether something's being moved, deleted, or added every 2 seconds. Shift ZZ to exit. Escape, Shift ZZ. Escape Q. Why is it not escaping? Now we're going to start a new session. Next command, netstat. Maybe you need to do sudo yum install -y. Wait, no. So then yum install netstat -y, and if we saw on our definitions, this automates the installation. I'm unable to find netstat. I guess we'll come back to that later. We'll do ps-ef. This lists all the processes that are there. Now, if we want to track our package or whether it's running or not, first we need to install a package. Let's do sudo yum install tree. We'll get tree nano wget -y. Complete. Okay, they're already installed for me, but to you, if you don't include the -y, it will ask you to say y or n. Ask you yes or no. Do you want to install this? Click yes. So you use -y to already say yes for you because it automates the task faster, it makes it faster than having to type again y or n. Complete. So now we're going to do, let's wget. We're going to install Apache. We use Apache for Apache is used for manually displaying whatever you want from the server to be on the website. It's like how do I say this? It's used for displaying files from your server onto a website, but it's only useful for HTML. We're going to take this one, zip. We're going to copy link address, wget, paste the link address here, install. Now we have Apache Tomcat. Let's do ls. We can see Apache Tomcat right there. It's right there. And that's how we get it. In the next episode, we'll come back to unzipping this. Next episode is all about unzipping. Now, because we cannot verify if the package is running or not, we'll just skip everything that has to do with verifying packages, because we will do it in the next video where we unzip everything. We learn how to zip and unzip. Next command, what is it? Sudo reboot. Sudo reboot. This reboots the server. Reboot. Now you're currently logged out, session stopped. Because you're rebooting the server, you cannot be connected to the server. So after a few seconds, you're gonna press R to restart the session. Now you're connected. Next up, what we have? We have sudo shutdown. This informs the user about the sudo shutdown in 3 minutes. Shutdown is scheduled for 3 minutes from now, and you can do sudo shutdown, sudo shutdown -c to cancel it. Now the shutdown is cancelled, and you can do sudo init 0. This shut down the server immediately, but I don't want to do that right now, so we're gonna go next one, uptime. It tells us that the server has been up for 1 minute and there are 1 users because we recently rebooted it. It's 1 users and the load average is that. Now last, shows you a list of last logged in users. Last, see EC2, 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 EC2. Now you can also show kill #9. This kills all the processes slowing down, but because we don't have that much processes slowing down, because we rebooted everything, there aren't that much. Therefore, it doesn't work that well. And then we're gonna do uname. The name of the server is called Linux. We're connected to the Linux server. If you want to have more information, because that's not enough, it's vague, uname -a. It tells us the IP address and everything we might need to know. Now, sudo yum install is for RedHat OS installer and CentOS, and because we're connected to a RedHat 9 server, we're going to use sudo yum install. Now we also have cd-opt, which is a directory used to install servers. Do cd /opt cd space opt is to cd into a file. Let's do ls. There's nothing inside. Now let's go cd back home. Now let's try tree. Tree is a visual representation of everything that you have in the directory right now. It shows that you have directory files, and inside files you don't have anything. This is text. These are all, and inside notes we have fields.txt. Remember from episode or from the first or second video we made, we have fields.txt that we made. Now all this is from Dubai Attracts photos. But inside deep dive we don't have anything. And all of this is from the AWS folder. Just have to scroll up. Inside the AWS, we have the Arabic language text, but we have the Apache that we have yet to unzip. Now we're done with today's video. Hope you liked the video. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.